Alright. Go ahead and snap it together. Got it. Now before you tighten up, I'm going to need you to put your foot on the platform for me. Turn towards the gun. There you go. Now snug up to this side. That way you don't have a big flap beating you in the wind. We all good? Get your platoon. Can't hear you. There we go. Alright.
Alright, before kickoff checks are good, I'm gonna pull a little in to quiet it down.
Roger. Pack secure, weapon secure. Go ahead and bring your foot in for me.
Roger. Clear right.
Clear left.
I want to dismount the driveway going north.
Roger.
She's moving. Hover power's good. I'm not. We're doing air assault.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do it. Go pull up north here a little bit.
One northbound.
Roger that. A few bumps up here, nothing too bad. So far pretty quiet out. Sounds like we got troops in contact near TOP 3.
Roger that.
Going off to the east right then. Yeah, we'll go to the holding area off to the east.
Copy. Wire hazard in sight.
Roger, 12 o'clock. Crossing at the pole.
Roger.
Yeah, so they're due south of us right now over there. Yeah, clear wire hazard.
Roger.
Clear load your dispersion. This will be left side engagement. Expect left orbits. Just waiting on initials.
Weapon time.
Roger, we have initials inbound from the east. Expect a pop-up attack.
Clear inbound. Roger that. Now, this hillside, where you come up over it, you're going to see white sandbags, orange silhouette. They're going to be shooting back, so hit
Coming
them.
up.
They'll be on that hillside. Go ahead and line them in. See that first one? Get them lined up. Clear to fire. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Hold your fire.
That's how you shoot a fucking machine gun right there. Where have you been all week? Most people are terrible, but you did really good. Alright, let's do it. Keep it going.
Right here in the tires. Right here. There you go. Next one up. You got one at the plate. No, you're Winchester.
Give him a high five for me, will you?
That's so cool. That's bear gunning. I'm bringing my friends back up here. Weapons pack secured. You sure you ain't done this before?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Forgive me, they're talking to me about the next one quite a bit.
Roger.
Gonna do a momentary pause so you and I can do a little training. Rowan gave us the warno.
Roger.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed your flight today. You burned exactly 0 frequent flyer miles on this trip. Come back 9 more times, you get a free cup of coffee.
That was cool.
Yeah, you did really well, actually. I say that to everybody, but I mean it right now.
Now, you're going to hang your headset up, I'll help you out. Do not touch the gun.